She's starting to read. She tell me I love to read. I want a book for Christmas. I'll get her a book for Christmas.
This is my early Christmas gift. A challenging Christmas gift that I have to take on. It might take me a few months. It might take me a few years.
Months.
But
months than years, trust me.
But I am excited. I am determined. I'm ready, and I'm introducing to you guys my next project.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in France. In our Jamaican household, French household. And today it's cloudy outside. I need to find oats, flour oats. When I say flour oats, I mean blended oats. It's the hardest thing to find here. Blended oats. You can find the thick oats, but it's hard to find. This one that I love to use to make porridge for the kids. Let me show you. I need to cut this bag. Anyway, I'm up. It's Wednesday. You know, my kids don't go to school on a Wednesday because school don't keep here in France on a Wednesday. This is how the oats look that I like to use to make porridge. School don't keep in France on a Wednesday, so I am done with school for now. So the kids are home. So baby's back to work on a Wednesday and home on a Tuesday. But anyway, I am about to make porridge for them because that's what they said they want for breakfast. So I'm blending oats and cornmeal to make a nice little porridge this morning. They're both in my bed. Both in my beds. Doing only God you knows what. Anyways, I'll be home with them today. So have a good day and enjoy today's vlog. Whatever it is that we're about to show you guys. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, of course. And I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. But first, look how I'm going to get them to come out here real quick. Tyler, Sarah, come for your chocolate number for the day. Christmas calendar. God, they're going to run. Come on. What number is today? Today's number 7.
I pay you 20 for the...
Hi. Hi. Come here. Look at you here. Give me a tablet. Come, Tyler. Go get your calendar. Sarah, come. You want number 7? Come.
Wait.
You gonna look for number 7? Ooh. Look at you here. Say good morning to Faves.
Look for number.
So let's say good morning.
What one? Look for number
7.
I'm going to find it right away.
You find it. She found it.
Before me. Open.
Yes, open it.
What is the surprise of the day? I want to see what it is. It looks like a bird. Like this. It's an angel.
It's an angel. Number 7 is the lucky number. Angel.
Why number 7 is a lucky number?
That's what a lot of people say.
It's an angel.
Number 7 is the lucky number.
Oh, found it. It's at the bottom.
Okay, Sarah, find hers. Good job.
I have a candy.
You have a candy? Or you have a round circle?
Round circle. That looks like a basketball.
You can eat your candy, Sarah.
Mama?
So it's the 7th day of Christmas. You help your mama to make lunch?
Yeah.
Lunchtime, making sandwiches for the babies. Come, squeeze it. Wait.
I want to make one too.
Come.
I know so.
Go around here beside your sister. Squeeze it.
This one is.
Oh!
This one is for Sarah. This one is for me.
Here. Here, Sarah. Spread it.
Okay.
Come, sir. Wait. Don't put any on that one in, because there's a lot.
That piece?
To eat?
Yes.
Yes.
I eat.
Break a piece.
I could eat.
Yes, break it. Can't tell her to break
I
it.
could eat.
Yes, Sarah, you can eat a piece. Ty, don't eat off of the ham before you put it on your bread.
No, I
Put it on the bread properly.
I didn't eat the rest.
Yes, you can eat first. Wanga belly.
Manga belly.
Wanga belly, Tyler. And now we're gonna cut it, okay?
Okay. No, to cut it myself.
Okay.
Me too. I'm gonna cut.
You're gonna cut?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Cut.
Alright, here we go. What do you want to cut it in? Square or triangle?
Triangle.
Triangle, okay. Here we go. 1. Triangle.
I want to cut it. No, to cut mine.
Okay.
Where?
Here. Can you want yours in square?
No.
Triangle?
Yes.
Okay.
But 8.
Okay. Sarah? Okay, go.
Where's it? 4, 5, 6.
Oh.
7. Wait. 7, 8, 9, 10.
No, that's 8. Silly.
1, 2, 3. Oh, yes.
You guys, do not mind my hair. I am in my room going over all the work that I got at school for the past 2 months. So I started at the beginning and I'm just refreshing my memory and catching up as I go along. So I just pulled the thing out of my hair. Just blended my hair and pulled the thing out of my hair. I didn't realize how crazy my hair is. My hair needs to detangle so bad. I'll call her back. My hair needs to detangle so bad. See, I hang her up to talk to you guys. But I'll do that at some point. Anyway, it is so hard for me to eat salad during winter time. I just don't want it. I just don't want it, you guys. Anyway, I am here making some lunch, and this is what my lunch looks like, and this is what my lunch has been looking like for the past few days. Or I just eat anything because I just don't feel for anything cold. It's the hardest to eat cold things during the winter season. Is the hardest thing ever. Anyway, I have omelette, egg omelette, not egg omelette, cheese omelette, cheese in the middle. I have some avocados, I have some raspberries, and I have a tangerine, mandarin, whatever you guys want to call it. So I'm gonna eat this. I put Sarah down for a nap, and I'll catch you guys later. Hello, 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 hello. My baby girl still sleeping. This is the other thing I struggle to do during winter time, is drink water. Oh my gosh. All the things that are good for me, I hate doing during winter time. I hate eating salad during winter time, and you guys know that I'm salad obsessed. And I hate drinking water during winter time. Sorry for my bottom and constipation. But anyway, to the good stuff. You know what I'm about to do? I am about to soak my fruits so I can blend them tomorrow to put them up and patiently wait on my browning to get here, because I have confirmation that my browning was sent off and is on its way. So yes, I am excited. However, I can't find seedless prunes here, so I have to de-seed all my prunes. So I'm going to do that and soak my fruit. I do not use mixed peel in my fruits, and I do not use cherries in my fruits. So it's just the golden raisins, which we call currants, and the other type of raisins. So I'm just using different type of raisins.
Mama, I love it.
You want one?
Scott.
Scott. Yeah, it's me cutting. So excuse me while I go and take out these raisins, these seeds out of these fruits. Okay. My boy is here playing his Nintendo a bit. He's about to finish up while his sister is sleeping. Alright, so I have my prunes in here, and I have two different type of raisins, the golden one and the black one. And now I'm gonna throw this wine all over it. Yes. Guys, I finished cooking dinner. Let me show you guys what I cooked, because I didn't show you guys what I cooked. Hey you, what you want? I want snack. You guys, I made dinner. I made fishy. So there goes fish. And I also made cabbage with zucchini and carrots, and this is the steamed fruits, looking so good. I have rice and small in the fridge, so that's going to go for dinner, but we're not having dinner just yet because I have to go out on the road and handle some business and get back. So I made sure I make dinner, so that way when we come back we can jump right into the good stuff. So I'm gonna handle some business with the kiddos and meet the husband on the road, and come back real quick. It's pitch black outside and I won't be too long, so I'm not gonna take you guys along. So see you guys when we get back. Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, you carrying Stella with you? You can't. Oh, what you doing?
I eat sky.
You eat Sky.
Oh, my
Let's go find Tyler. Hi, my baby. I don't like the way the mat is looking though. Look down. We're soon ready, okay? Come put on your jacket, you girl.
Hi. I can take you dinner. Dinner's ready.
Leave the door. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You're locking me out. You said you locked me out. Man, you hurt my foot. Leave the door. Let go of the door.
Sarah, close the door fast.
I said let go of the door 2 times. Move. Move. Naughty 1 and naughty 2. Brush your teeth. You want me to take you up and put you in the clothes basket? Come. No. Hello, finish the plane. Say good night.
Good night. Wagwan. I don't know how to say good night in patois.
Say good night.
Good night, but how we say good night in patois?
Good night.
What? Good night, my YouTube.
Come, best friend. End the vlog. Hi, you guys.
Stay in my eyes. I just can't see nothing. That's okay. They see me. I don't see them.
You guys, I have a gift for you guys. You ready for it?
A gift?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you give away today.
That's the gift.
She's starting to read. She told me I love to read. I want a book for Christmas. I get her a book for Christmas.
This is
In
my
advance.
early Christmas gift. A challenging Christmas gift that I have to take on. It might take me a few months. It might take me a few years.
Months.
But
Months than years. Trust me.
But I am excited. I am determined. I'm ready, and I'm introducing to you guys my next project. I'm enrolled in driving school. Yes, the time has come.
Tu es motivé?
Oui.
Motivation. Hungry to learn?
Yes, you guys, I'm officially enrolled in driving school. Step 1, I have to pass the road codes first, and then I'll start the practical. So this thick little book that you see here will be my best friend as of today. What a life. Hey. So yes, I have to do it in French. Don't have a choice. So
Well, you live in France, so.
So here we go, project number 2. You guys on this journey with me, y'all. You guys on this journey with me. Pray for me, you guys, please. It won't be easy, but I'm ready. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm anxious.
Ça va aller.
Wait, so now I have to go back to structure my day to make sure I maximize my day with this. Still studying French from where I left off from school, and do everything else that Mel does.
Yeah, we have a weekend to structures everything.
But here we go to the next project. I'm excited about it though. I'm ready.
You better be.
Anyway, you guys, send me all the positive vibes and all the love and all the good vibes. Tell me I can do it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. What?
Give the video a thumbs up to her. Thumbs up to her. I want to see a lot of thumbs up to her. So give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, to thumbs up.
Thumbs up, and not
Thumbs up. I want to see a lot of thumbs up on this video. Mel, I support you.
You can
on
do
this
it,
journey.
girl.
We trust you. We need you. We need a gangster driver on the road.
Y'all not ready, you know. Y'all not
We
ready.
need to hear that loud music on the road.
Hey.
So-
Hey. They called my car with my Jamaican colors. Hey, am I ready now? I'm ready. I'm gonna have Jamaican cover for my steering wheel. I already have the vision in my head. Yeah, girl. I'm ready.
Okay. Okay.
Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And I am tired, so I'm going to bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I have a busy weekend ahead of me. So I need to go get some rest.
Let's go, France.
Team France, allez les bleus. Allez les bleus, allez.